Teacht, mar zoltait tá gá referendum siúil ar an ina bheog seo, agus ascríonn na referendum sin as an tileáil Idir-rannach agus as an coiste trasfortí, agus na multi láidre a rinneidir sna túrascála sin. Ach, tá rééis na túrascála bunaíodh an rialtas coiste Idir-rannach. Agus níl clú agan cad a dúirt an coiste sin na túramí na multi nó éon túrascáil. Agus tá an ceist chora faoi go agam ar urlár na dála agus trí ceistena agus níl freigra sáúil feite agam. Just very quickly within my minute, as you know, there are two referendums on Friday. They arise from the strong recommendations from the Citizens' Assembly and the Cross-Party Committee. However, following those two reports, you set up an Interdepartmental Committee to look at those recommendations. You're clearly in possession of that knowledge. We're not. Can you please tell me why is that the case, and can you give us the details on an annual report arising?
Thanks, Debbie. I'll look into that. There's always a process to be followed for referendums. I've been involved in many of them, including marriage equality, including the referendum to repeal the Eighth. And the government would always take what a Citizens' Assembly or a convention has to say, would look at what an all-party committee would have to say, and then we'd set up the IDG. We would have had a similar process for other referendums too, because you need the advice of the Attorney General, you need the Irish language translators in the room, you need to consider all of the facts and all the advice that you have. But certainly I'll talk to my people and see if we can make some more information available about that.